Whether you're new in crypto or you're not new, but you find it very difficult to make your own research. In most cases, you can find a project, might be as a meme, might be on internet or social medias. And the first question that comes into your mind is this project legit? So this video is the answer for your question. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own research before you buy that project that you have feeling to. So watch this video until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. So with that said, let's straight dive into the video. So the first thing that you have to ask yourself, it is the theme of the project. Who made that project that you are looking for? So let's say this is our coin, Tether. Tether was launched in 2014. Tether, how it is working and the people who are around it. You have to see the location of the coin. You have to see who made it. All those things should be your first priority. The second thing is a website. You have to see the grammar of the website. Once you see the website is not running very well, it's just moving slowly, you have to quit that project. Before any other thing in a project, at least a website should be clear. It should be moving very well. Its grammar and everything should be very fine. So the next thing should be the partners of the project. So when you see the partners of this project Tether, there is Get.io, there is Huobi Global, there is Kraken, there is Chucoin, and so many and so forth. So you have to make sure that those partners are legit too, because some of the partners might be they are not even there, but they are just trying to lure you into something that you don't understand. So you have to understand these partners before you enter in that very project that you want to buy. So the next thing you have to see, the founder of the project, is he running, or the CEO, is he running other projects? What is the history of that person when it comes to crypto? So you have to understand everything concerning that. So the next part is social media. So you have to see whether this project that you want to buy is followed by many people and how people are talking about it. So when you go here, like in the comments, what they are trying to post on their social medias, you have to see how those people are talking about that specific project that you're trying to buy. You have to see everything. You go deep, you see its Twitter, you see Facebook, Telegram, and so many and so forth. So the next part should be the market matrix, how the market is moving. So the first thing that you have to consider is the market cap of the project. As you can see, like this one, it has 83 billions. Another part should be 24-hour trading volume. As you can see, like this one, it is 9 billion 0.7 in just 24 hours. Fully deleted valuation. Also, you have to see on its FDV, you have to see how it is. As you can see that this one is very big. So the next part here should be the supplying matrix. You have to see the saturating supply, the total supply, and the maximum supply. So some of these coins, they are just scammers. You find a coin, it has a lot of supply, and now they start to reduce it, they reduce. So you have to understand all those sorts of things. So also you can go on the markets, history data, and token matrix. So another thing that you have to consider here, it is its white paper. So in its white paper, you have to see how they made that project. Secondly, you have to see who made it, how they made their website, because their website is all about everything. So you can see how its website works, how everything is moving when it comes to its white paper, its liquidity. All those things should be in its white paper. When you understand how this website was made, what was the purpose of this very project, who is the founder, reports and reserves should be there. the reports and the reserves of that project that you want to buy. It's insurance. So in case of anything, where can you get the insurance from? So there is bridges. Some of the coins, they have bridges and some of them they don't have. So you have to see exactly, is it having some bridges? So in its white paper, you're going to find that very project, how it works, the company, how the company is moving about them, the carriers contact them, and legal terms. They should be having their legal terms, how you can make a contract. So you can read into their contract and see exactly how everything is moving on its affiliate, ML, anti-corruption, associates, everything that you would like to see on its legal term on that specific project that you want to buy. And this one should be very, very important when it comes to legal terms. Are they not spams? Are they having anti-spam policy, the law enforcement requests, and so many things when it comes to laws? So all of those things should be on its white paper. You have to see the resources. Where can you get its news, its facts, integration guidelines, batch beauty, media assets, tether facts, and so many things. The last part here should be its liquidity. In most cases, the liquidity should be long. And for how long will it be? So you have to see the fixed amount of money that can be transferred, and for how long will it be fixed. So all those important things, you have to be knowing them. So also you have to understand, where are you going to trade this very project from when it comes to exchanges. So when you click, might be when you go on CoinGecko and you click in that very specific project, you will see the exchanges where you're going to find that very project and how it is paired, its price and speed, everything that you'd like to see on that specific project before you buy it. So the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do research on a new project that is not listed on any exchange or CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss such important videos. So for today, I'm out. Bye for today. Good luck.